Zimbabwe stands at crossroads. It has walked before, and those with eyes to see already know the destination. Sarabda much kubdani kopangwa in a third generals. To subscribe or like on the bell icon. Chiti. Charo Costa do Chiwenga will be the next president of Zimbabwe and first secretary of ZANU-PF. This is no speculation. It is a trajectory of events already in motion, visible to anyone who has studied how power actually moves in the country, not through communiques and press statements, but through the quiet repositioning of realities within the party structures. Even within Mnangagwa's own inner circle, this reality is understood, even if it cannot yet be spoken aloud. No faction, no cartel, no constitutional maneuver is proven capable of altering what the structures of this party and this military ultimately decide. History does not repeat, it rhymes, and we have heard this rhythm before. Munwese Kunamai. In the final days of the Mugabe era, the G40 faction gathered around Amai Grace Mugabe, believing proximity to State House and to the first family was the surest path to succession. They neutralized the Lacoste aligned officials one by one, believing themselves untouchable because they held the era of the parliament. We all remember how that ended, not in a triumph, but in the ignominy of November 2017, watching the very apparatus they mocked dismantle their ambitions in a matter of days. Now we are witnessing the same tactic deployed by the very men who once stood on the other side of that history. The neutralization of Lacoste stewards, the marginalization of the war veterans who fought for this country's liberation, the elevation of the Sugananda cartel was loyalty is to proximity and patronage rather than to the party's founding principles. This is G40 in a new uniform. Different faces, same fatal miscalculation. Those who forget history are not condemned to repeat it. They are condemned to relive its ending. Doma developments are good pangwa ino. Nago section medu za fungura aim to deep on salvage it page. Non subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.